It's a 2017 INFINITI QX50. This QX50 was created to elevate your driving experience with more responsiveness and more confidence. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V6 engine, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, memory steering wheel settings, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Of the QX50, Kelley Blue Book writes, "Step inside and try not to be impressed by the stunning interior with colors, shapes, materials, and surfaces that make this among the most luxurious in the segment." INFINITI, superior craftsmanship surrounds you with infinite possibilities. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.
For value.